In 1892, in Regensburg, Germany, a luxurious paddle steamship was built for the first royal privileged Serbian shipping company. Her name was Tsar Nicholas II. She sailed the Danube in elegance, carrying diplomats, officials, merchants, and families, traveling between Belgrade and Kladovo. In 1926, members of the International Danube Commission arrived in Belgrade aboard this very vessel. For decades, she connected cities and cultures along the river. Empires changed, borders shifted, but the ship remained. Between 1939 and 1940, during the period known as the Kladovo Transport, Danube ships carried Jewish refugees fleeing war and persecution. Among them was this steamship, no longer a symbol of prestige, but a silent witness to uncertainty and hope. After the Second World War, she was renamed Split. The age of royal steamers was over. In the 1970s, the former passenger vessel became a floating restaurant beneath Branko's Bridge in Belgrade. Later, it turned into one of the city's first nightlife venues, a place of music, lights, and long nights on the river. From royal salons to refugee transport to bohemian nights. Since 1992, the ship has stood in Kladovo, silent, rusting, and protected as a cultural monument. Built in 1892, still here, a witness to more than a century of the Danube.